shall go mad now. Wake up, my majesty.
Wake up, father, wake up.
Father, here's your offenders to be punished. Waiting for a command. No, I can't.
Okay, if my father is unable to do this, I'd like to have this opportunity.
As much as a child ever loved a father.
What should I say to this? Love and be silent?
Bring the map. From this line to this. As you can see in the map, with shadowy forests and plenteous rivers, we make the lady. Now what says our second daughter, our dearest Regan, wife of Cornwall?
In my true heart, I find that my sister Gundul names my very deed of love, but she comes too short. I profess to be enemy of all other joys, except my father's love. Unlike my sisters, I'm sure that my love is stronger than my tongue.
To thee and thy husband, this generous third of the kingdom, no less in space and value than that conferred on Cornwall. And now to our joy, our last but not the least, Cordelia. What can you say to draw a third more often than your sisters? Speak.
I shall not play this game. Nothing, my lord.
Nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing will come of nothing. Speak again.
Unhappy though I am, I cannot heave my heart into my mouth. I love your majesty, according to my bond. No more, no less. Why have my sisters husbands if they say they only have love for you?
So young and so tender.
So young, my lord, and true.
Let thy truth then be thy door. Here I display all my paternal care. The sweet and bitter fool will presently appear. The one is mostly here, the other found out there. I loved her most. Thought to set my rest on her kind nursery. This is madness, sir. Do not banish the only daughter who truly loves you. I must speak true. Come not between the dragon and his wrath. Yes, sir. Be calm. Show some respect for the king's judgment. Albany, this can work well for us. With Cordelia gone, we may share the kingdom. Fare thee well, your majesty. Princess, take care of yourself. Here are Burgundy and France, my lord. I seek your permission to let the two princes in who wish to marry your youngest daughter, Cordelia. Everything is in vain now. She is standing with nothing. But bring them in and let them try their luck. I'll not weep. My heart shall break into 100,000 flaws. Or I'll weep. Oh, fool. I shall go mad now. Wake up, my majesty. She is to rule the god through the ways and before. Now in the storm he weeps alone, mourning the loss of his precious throne. He thought it would be wise to give away the kingdom based on lies. And now in the storm he screams and shouts, cause his daughter went and kicked him out. Oh God, my king has been deserted. The ending of this tragic tale is full of death, but we have brought some positivity in this drama. So pay attention because the King of France is on his way to invade England and finds the king in mid of his way. Leo wakes up in a French camp and sees Cordelia by his side.
Wake up, father, wake up.
Dear sweet Cordelia, forgive me. I am old and foolish. Beseech you to be forgiven.
I loved you, father, and I still love you as my father.
Pardon, Cordelia, pardon. I hope you will not leave your foolish father alone now.
No, father, not at all.
Don't worry, father. Regan and Cornwall will have to pay for what they have done to you. Bestow your blessings upon me, and I promise you, your culprits will be slain at your command. See you soon, father. a command. No, no, I can't.
Okay, if my father is unable to do this, I'd like to have this opportunity. Soldiers, take and hang him to death.
Mercy. Mercy, my kind Simkoi. Mercy. After all, they are your sisters. And my daughters too. How can I see them die? Forgive them and let them go.
I can't believe my ears. And surely you too, my lovely sisters. My father, he's a man like no other. He gave you life, nurtured you, taught you, fought for you, and you troubled him to the fullest? You had no pity on him. A shame, a big shame. Yes, we don't deserve to live,
But saying sorry will not mean much to you now.
but truly regretting for what we have done.
My all little hearts, remember that life's greatest lessons are usually learned in the worst time. And you have realized that all to me now. Love and respect your parents. Treat them with loving care.
For you will only know their value when you see their empty chair.
And most important, they love you unconditionally.